Hi folks, Lee Murphy, artbyleemurphy.com, and it's been a while since I have done any updates for this camper here, not least because of about 2 or plus weeks of solid rain thanks to back-to-back tropical storms and such. But at least I finally got around to mostly getting this spare tire looked at. Well, at first I thought it was going to be an easy fix, but clearly the attachment was so badly rusted that I'm not even sure I'm going to get this thing off because the bolts are just fused on there with rust. But anyhow, when I saw the cover on it, I thought, yay, it's in good shape. I'm safe there and I don't have to do anything else. But, well, clearly not, because this thing was so dry rotted and so corroded, and that, yes, that is algae. Yeah, well, one more messy thing to have to get rid of, because that is just simply not savable, so I had to cut it all off. And this looks like it's in pretty good shape, even though it's filthy nasty dirty. I thought I was done with all the nasty dirtiness, but clearly this is left, and I have to do that before I fix the bumper. But I learned a little trick from a friend. Now, these are standard 12-inch 530/12 camper wheels, which I think is pretty normal for a pop-up camper. And this one's in good shape as far as I can tell. It looks like it's never been used, and I don't see any cracks or dry rot in it, so I'm thinking possibly I might be able to save it. However, this is toast. Now that once again, another miracle that I got this thing home without, without a disaster, because these things are so dried out, rotted, and cracked all the way around completely. It's just a miracle. But a friend of mine taught me a trick after I found out that even if I were to pull these off and take them to a tire shop that actually had trailer wheels, and most don't, it would have cost me between $50 and $65 to get these things, get new tires put on these wheel hubs. However, if you go to Amazon, you can get these exact same wheels, or close enough to it, for about $120, $140, which is actually a whole lot cheaper than buying these things and having them redone. I hate using Amazon. I hate that I can't salvage these things, and I hate that I am not being supportive of a local business, but I'm already into this so much more for money than I thought I would be, and I knew it would get expensive. But that, I think, is a decision that I'm ready to make here, to be safe and to get this thing rolling as quick as possible. Anyhow, maybe that was a help. I don't know. Thank you for watching anyway, and good luck.